Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today, we're diving into a topic that many find intimidating but is actually much simpler than you might think: investing for beginners. So if you're looking to start your investment journey with minimal risk, this video is for you. Let's get started. First things first, let's cover the basics. Investing is essentially putting your money to work to grow over time. It's not just about getting rich quickly. It's about building wealth slowly and steadily. For beginners, the goal should be to minimize risk while learning the ropes. So where do you start? Here are 3 foundational steps to begin your journey. Build an emergency fund. Before you even think about investing, make sure you have a safety net, an emergency fund. This should cover 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. It protects you from having to sell your investments during a downturn. Understand your risk tolerance. Ask yourself, how much risk are you comfortable with? Your risk tolerance will guide the types of investments you should consider. The younger you are, the more risk you can typically afford because you have more time to recover from market dips. Start with the goal in mind. Are you saving for retirement, a home, or just want your money to grow? Having a clear goal helps shape your investment strategy. Now, let's talk about some beginner-friendly, low-risk investment options. High-yield savings accounts or CDs. These are super safe options that give you a small but guaranteed return on your money. Great for building that emergency fund or saving for a short-term goal. Bonds or bond funds. Think of bonds as loans you give to companies or the government. They pay you back with interest. They're less volatile than stocks and offer steady returns. Index funds and ETFs. These are a great way to invest in the stock market with minimal risk. Index funds and ETFs track a market index, like the S&P 500, meaning your money is spread across many companies. This diversification helps reduce risk, and the best part? Many of these options are super easy to access through a brokerage account, which leads us to our next step. To start investing, you'll need a brokerage account. Think of it like a bank account, but for your investments. Look for a platform that offers low fees, easy-to-use tools, and good customer service. Some popular ones for beginners are Vanguard, Fidelity, or even apps like Robinhood or Webull. Once you've set up your account, start small. Even $50 a month can grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Finally, stay curious and keep learning. Follow trusted financial experts, read books, watch more videos like this one, and most importantly, stay consistent with your investing. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from the power of compounding. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who are also looking to start investing, and comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Remember, every small step you take today can lead to a big difference tomorrow. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.